Welcome to Plants Health Benefits. Let's talk avocado toast, which isn't just a trend, it's a health game changer. Why avocados are the real MVP of the produce aisle. First up, they're packed with healthy fats. These fats keep your heart happy and your skin glowing. Next, avocados are fiber powerhouses. Fiber helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive system. Third, they're loaded with vitamins and minerals. Think vitamin K, E, C, and more. These nutrients boost your immune system and keep you feeling your best. Fourth, avocados can help you manage your weight. That creamy goodness helps you feel full longer, so you snack less. Finally, they're brain food. The healthy fats and antioxidants support brain health and can even improve memory. So, when shopping, don't forget to grab an avocado. Your body language will change for the better. Stay healthy and keep it green.